Hey, welcome to AVE Automotive. I'm Ted.
I'm Nick.
And today we're talking about whether or not you should buy a used luxury car.
The answer is yes. However, there's a common misconception that because you are buying a cheap luxury car, it is cheap to maintain. That is false. Parts do not go down as cars age. Honestly, they probably get more expensive. And labor doesn't go down, ever. Literally, labor never goes down.
It will go up and up.
Yes. And more parts are going to break, and parts are more expensive for luxury cars, specifically on the European side.
And if you know, again, if you know what you're getting into, if you know the car you're going to buy is a basket case, be ready for that maintenance cost. It's gonna be a lot.
Right, but if you're living on a month-to-month basis with a set income and you I need to be at X amount of dollars a month, that's not going to work because it could be thousands of dollars randomly one month to fix things. So long story short,
yes.
No.